Kandadi aigi Kanglup adu Kanglup yengbay wani. After all, death is death. Pain is the pain. We need to rethink on that line. So my submission is that any form of violence is not going to normalize the situation. We have to think of normalizing the situation. We have to think how peace can be brought. But the point is, peace cannot be just brought like that. Peace cannot be brought only through the police mechanism. Peace cannot be brought only through what we call military interventions. Peace has to associate with what I call as justice. What I say, just peace is what we must look at. Each of the victims must get their justice. But how? My submission is, we had been all telling stories about what the others have done to us. You will hear all the time, morning I am told at 11 o'clock the cookies had 2 or 3 hours of sitting. The Meiteis are given this 3 to 5 hours. We are much more less in number because I am told the organizers were told by the police not to go beyond 100 or 200 odd numbers. So rule followers that we are. Now the point is that when you talk about pain, you are talking about my own pain. I as a sufferer, I as a victim, and other as a creator or connivance or violator of rights. Same as the story you will hear cookies saying, Meiteis have done this. Now, my submission is, if we have to bring peace, and this is the state, after 1 year we have to really think. We cannot go on like this. We cannot keep on playing the victim's card, or we cannot keep on saying that we will kill the others. We cannot. And it has not been successful. In 1 year, nothing has happened in that sense that one has defeated the other groups. The violence has escalated, it goes down again. Again it comes up, it goes down again. So it is a new normal in a way. The turmoil that we see today is the new normal that we are seeing. So what we need to do is kind of a knowledge that we need to bring amongst ourselves. We need to tell the story, but story of truth. And this story of telling the truth is not merely fact-finding. And what I say is Cookie's story, Naga's story, Meitei's story, within Meitei's again Meitei Pangan's story, each have a story to tell. And we have to be able to listen to the story of the other. Unless we are able to listen to each other's stories, things are not going to come down. And right now, till 1 year, what is happening is we are telling our own stories. We don't listen to the other's story. I will tell you, I'm a student of philosophy. There is a very interesting narrative in Jain philosophy called Syadvad. And it is, the example is that we always talk about truth from particular perspective. And we always fail to capture the entire truth. The example this Jain says, and I find it very interesting, it is about 4 or 5 blind men trying to figure out how an elephant looks like. Imagine 4 or 5 blind men looking at, trying to feel how an elephant. Shamu kamay tawzan na mamit udawa, mamit sangwa mi mari mangala. Ama na makom du kol pai rubjan. Es masih pillar dong tawen. Ama na mamay par es masih tholi dong tawen. Ama na mabuk par masih wall dong tawen. Now why I tell this story is that we keep telling our own stories without listening to the other story. When we are able to listen to the other story, cross-check with one another, that is where what I call communicative truth will come. Truth is not about a logic of plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. This truth which involves emotion, this truth which involves pain, this truth which involves anger must be shared, must be communicated. Unless we are able to listen to the cookies, unless the cookies are able to listen to us, we will not arrive at any holistic truth. How many of us, let me ask, know that there is a difference of opinion between the Thadavs and the Kukis? In the social media, I was listening, I was reading it. Some says Thadav oigera Kuki oigera sab manayena. But Thadavs are one who says that Manipur's integrity must be retained. How many of us know this? Some of the Liangmais and Tangkuls were attacked. Then you say, how sab money? This cannot happen. We have to retrospect to ourselves. We have to challenge them. This is not to say that speaking about our own weakness, our own bad deeds does not mean that we have lost the game. We also need to tell them that this is what you have done and this is also what we have done. And we need to sit down together. Lastly, we need to go to the genesis of this fact-finding truth. Now, when I say genesis, we keep talking about 3rd May. We also know that there has been things happening on 28th of April. Before that, we also know that Meiteis were barred from going to Kaubru. Meiteis were barred from going to Hangjing. And there were lots of tasks happening. So there is some bit of a truth that some animosity was happening between certain Kuki groups and the Meiteis. But then when did it start? We also need to see that since 2005, when the ceasefire started between Assam Rifles and the Kuki militants, subsequently in 2008, when Manipur government joined the tripartite agreement, the kind of influx that has happened. So we need to see that instead of getting angry over Kukis being won, it is not true. Many Kukis who have lived before 1950s, 1960s, they are part of the Manipur. How can you say that they are infiltrators or illegal? You cannot say that. We have to be little more honest. We have to be little more open, rethink with our emotions. When you are angry, then you see everybody as the other. We have to differentiate within the Kukis. There are Kukis who have come illegal migration since 2005, 1951, 1961. We have to look into that. Meiteis as a majority, Meiteis who have a long legacy of more than 2,000 years of governance, of empire building, of kingdom, cannot stoop to such low of anger and the emotions. We have had since when 1100 Loyamba Singyen Nandana Akoigi governance ki constitution ama in our own way Kamainas governance legadabano lebak YL Kamaina Chathagadabano is 1100 Tagileramava 11th century the Gileramava Kangrup Sina Nakan is Hauraga Masimaina Tauragadi. How will you build up that Manipur that we have nourished more than 2,000 years? Aduna koi wakal khanbatai Shawba to me, Shawbam to Toy, Shawba Dunabo Arambai Tengol Tolaini. Ainahan high to high grade, Hojik so high, Arambai Tengol the Mayam the Saunavali, but Arambai Tengol say Mayam gi Maitis gi pain the Badiki Tolki, Kanglup Amaneva, Maduki spirit never. Now we cannot say he Tola Gakuina Pamada Tawudi Otok Bahuna Deva, Aina Pamada Loina Maxalagadi, Lanam the Tona Roeva. Wakal Kudimag Loin Tongan Bele, election Maracal Axel, election to one Tokta Veneva. Asu Yana crisis later, Manipur, the Kadubuki election to Hondurinova. Election Lak with Akui Machenda, Machet Kaina Getowe. Aduna Koina Huji Gengadavadi, Wakan Kandava Machani, we need to see what kind of truth we have to engage. Government of Manipurga, Kuki, narco terrorist, Kanguga Tolaki Irang never, Kuki illegal migrant Tolaki Irang say. Karamba among the certain elites, Karana, Kamlup, between Meiteis and between Kukis and Sagan and Abohoneva. Madugi Marak to the Tados in Apu, the Yav de Go and Hayab. Madugi boys to Kuki and Namdan Abohoneva. Meiteis in the Madu, the Kalu Deva, Apoina Kaleva, Kuki to Tadu Chamani, Loenam, Amaya Manena. That is what is the biggest mistake that Meiteis are committing. We have to rethink. We have the honors of retaining this place called Manipur. And Manipur is not only of the Meiteis, Manipur is a place where every ethnic communities resides. Manipur represents that multi-ethnic spirit of pluralism and diversity. And it has retained, it was there existing before even India came into existence. So our spirit of coexistence is very much there as a part of the Meitei's ethos. Khanbiyu in 1971-72 the Ihan Hana Manipur statehood who was the chief minister? It was a Muslim. 7% khatang labor population ki Muslim do majority Meitei singa chief minister hoina pibada koina karimta nungaitaba khotpada laigideba madugi mathangda subsequently two tangkhul chief minister thokiyeba. So Meiteis have always been resilient, but akoigi resilience testi tawgre certain tuki militant kharana. But we have to be cautious, we have to be strong, but we cannot be blind. Aina sai haijaba mamit tangba mari mangana akoigi samu yengna bhona ba madu tawu chumde haiba. Say lising ani hena laklabak kanglupni aduna achum aran akoina khanbam thoi aduna huji leigadori ba mangda lakadori ba potse. Well, though it is the government's responsibility, but if the government doesn't work, then the people have to initiate. Like civil society that we are, we cannot harp on violence, but we have to harp on coexistence, mutual love, and territorial integrity of Manipur. Arway boy na ina hajagadaba Manipur ki ngamkai kai biadi tung long mineration minerasi. Manipur ki ngamkai kai biadi Manipur imana. Thank you very much.
Thagatsari Pabung Mathanga Sidi victim ki parent Fizam Ibungobi father of Philem Heman Jepu stays asida kaukhatari wahai khara dang thambinaba.
Mayam live se yamna sang di sange
Matang asida mayam slogan amutang lauminasi Pabung na adagi mayam photo pairibasing na photo paibiraga mayam amutang di lauminasi Manipuri mana
Yai parai
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 Manipur ki saktam
Kai beroy
Manipur ki saktam
Kai beroy
Manipur ki saktam
Kai beroy
Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of my audience, Manipuri brother and sister, media personnel. Today I am very happy for the giving chance of and thankful to the organizing committee of this function.
Bhai bhai
I, Fizam Ibungobi Singh, Shagol Mandrota in Kolombekai, father of victim Fizam Hemanjit Singh, missing with my son's friend Luangbi Lintoingambi Hijam. I am showing my lovely son and daughter photograph.
Hemanjit duga kenogi magi mapa magi pabung na machani magi bagi kappaga wangang bangam da no lairi mayam live se bi peraga mayam share to
From the 6th July, both went on a motorbike as per the CCTV footage lastly seen at Bishnupur district near FCI Bishanpur. Both are riding on a motorbike. This is the last CCTV footage. It proves that both are going towards the Churasanpur district from the Bishanpur district. At 9:12 a.m. they proceed towards the Churasanpur district, that is Old Kasar Road. It is reported from the sources that both are went just a little towards the Churasanpur district, and after that, I want to express this point, but conditionally I express some Kuki peoples are pick up both of them from a nearby Laimaton, known as a hill area, pick up by a gypsy or whatever a transporter, and proceed towards the Jojang and disappear. This is very, when listening this idea, myself very unfortunate. So this is very difficult. My question is this: what are minor sons and daughters? They are simply just roaming after finish their coaching class from the example in Imphal, Manipur. So they are arrested by the Kuki people, for example. In fact, they are not militants or something. Just simply they went towards the hill area to see the hill views. So, as per the report, they are captured around. It is partially confirmed that 09.12 AM they proceed towards the Churasanpur district. As per the some report from the CBI, this is very unfortunate that they are disappear within 1.5 hours. I cannot express this one. After arrest, within 1.5 hours, both are killed.
सिचुएशन जो बिल्कुल कंट्रोल हो गया था। देखिए आज 1 साल 1 दिन हो गया, 1 साल नहीं हुआ, 1 साल 1 दिन। ये लोगों से गलत है नहीं, 1 साल 1 साल हो गया, 1 साल 1 दिन हो गया। देखिए भारत सरकार
One more thing, my
friends
and audience, 25th September 2013, on the internet,
देखिए हम
very
मणिपुर भारत के अंदर है,
one unlucky photograph is
बाहर नहीं देख
uploaded.
सकता है। देखिए
When I'm at my home doing something work, in the meantime, from the effective media are coming and show me to this photograph.
15,000
is identify my son. First, show this photograph. In this number one photograph, they are sitting on a ground. He is holding the bag of the Luangbi.
15 करोड़ रुपए दे करके
They are
सप्रेस किया।
sitting very panic view.
लेकिन
After looking all the people of the Manipur, the view of the Luangbi, all the people are shocking, as well as so many protests at the Imphal area, and the security forces, everybody know, all the Manipur people, everybody knows that all the protester students are fired by the guli, etc. So many things and injure so many students. A great injuries all the students of Manipur. This is very unfortunate, and I am asking to the Honorable CM why you are ordered to do such think of unwanted to your student. This is your very weakness. Anyway, I am simply express. I am thoroughly blame to you. Then very difficulty. Next number 2 photograph is this. After looking this, myself very confused, very worried. According to this photograph. Oh, one more thing. The photograph number 1. Two more say, militant holding arms are standing beside the photograph. That means they are guarding. So it has confirmed that they are murdered by the Kuki militants. Actually, I am not the judge of the court. Whereas, as being a human, it has been confirmed as per the photo. The judgment of the court is that is another way. Anyway, as being a human being, and everybody knows that definitely my son and daughter is killed by the Kuki militants. This is very typical. All of my friends, all of the people of India. Then the next photograph is very unfortunate. She both are lying on the ground of the unknown place. See, actually, the neck of my son is not seen very, very clearly. What was done? It is either I can say express it is cut or what broken. Exactly, I can't say as per the photograph. Anyhow, this is such type of killing is brutal. It is very inhumanity type of brutality they had performed. Then number two, the neck also is like 0 degree. Normal human being cannot deflect the neck is at 0 degree. Almost they are killing throwing near the stone. So after this two photographs appear. So my son and the daughter is almost killed by the cooking militant. After that, then August, case is transferred to the CBI. Then I contacted to the CBI authority, sir, if my son is alive, return to me. If as per the photograph, if he is dead, I am not performing ritual functions. So at least his body or cloth, please to hand over to perform ritual functions. But from the CBI officer told me now investigation is going on. So actually I am hopeless, helpless. What will do for my sons and daughter? So very, very worried. See, Delhi, as per the custom of the Manipuris, that persons cannot enter their home. So every, say for example in English, lunch and a dinner and a lunch. So every lunch and lunch and dinner foods are putting outside the gate, outside the house. That means at the gate. In the meantime, his mother is crying. Delhi. Ibong nang basa ba iman tadal basa siya no ikuni isa ka pema. His mother crying Delhi. My son, are you eating whatever I am offering your food is, are you taking or not? So my wife is crying Delhi. These are the situation offering to me, as well as from my dynasties, my brother and sister, from my uncle, pressed, actually not pressed, and tell to me ritual will be performed. Otherwise, our dynasty is isolated from the society. So myself very, very difficult now. What I will do. Actually, ritual function is not performed till that. So many difficulties are offered. So many difficulties are offered to me. Not only missing my son, secondary difficulties are also affected to me. So, on the behalf of the Luangbi Lithoingambi father, Luangbi Lithoingambi पापा ने हमारा मणिपुर का मीडिया कॉन्फ्रेंस में बार एक बात पूछता है और ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द हिम वो उनका नाम कुलजीत कहते हैं लुआंगबी लिथोंगाम्बी का पिता in the behalf of Kulajit, I am asking to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. I repeat, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. मेरा बेटी नहीं क्या वो इसका बेटी पढ़ाओ का बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ का जवाब तो ये है न क्या पूछ रहा है हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह ये पूछ रहा है ये आपका बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ कहाँ. इसका जवाब को कुलजीत ने इंतजार कर रहा है अभी तक. इसका जवाब जरूरी दीजिए है मोदी जी. ये ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कुलजीत लुआंगबी लिथोंगाम्बी के बाबा का तरफ से मैं पूछ रहा हूँ होम मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, देखो हम मणिपुरी इंडिया का एक नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक छोटा सा स्टेट है. हमारा स्टेट का अंदर में आपने बेटी को बचाने का परफॉर्मेंस क्या बोलेगा, परफॉर्मेंस तो वादा तो ये है ना, देखो आप अच्छी देखिए मीडिया का थ्रू से आई रिक्वेस्ट please show this photograph in the front of the Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister, all the Union Ministers. So now I am very worried. इसलिए मैं क्या करेगा पता नहीं, अभी पगलगा माफी रहता है. One more thing, not only me, all the missing families involving regarding this communal riot, whatever. From my side, in the word never, this is very negative, strong word according to English language. Not only me, each and every victim families who are involving in this riot, never coming happiness our remaining lives. I repeat, all the victim families regarding this communal riot, our remaining life, we never coming happiness. Even all the properties, all the gold, all the diamond given to the victim families, we never happy. So just we are waiting to burn our body in the moment our gun is released. This is our idea. Anyways, sir, my Manipuri friends, all the audience, all the media persons, this is the approximate history of how myself and how victim families are spending our times in my home. Then moreover, I am expressing some little idea regarding, because this is very big function show. Actually, I am not blaming to the cookies, but I am asking to the cookie fellows, dear cookie fellows, whatever you are doing bad things, I repeat, whatever you do, your community, your party doing so many bad things, and very very cleverly converted and informed to the media, all the bad things are done by the media. This is their habit. This is the habit of the cookies. Cookie ने जो खराब काम करता, लेकिन blame and converted सभी खराब काम को मैते ही नहीं करता, मीडिया में ऐसा बोलता है. ये क्या है? So I am telling all the cookie fellows, whatever you are doing bad things, and just opposite is and reported to the opposite things, whatever your bad things done by the media, all the media. So in this manner you cannot achieve your goal. Remember this word. Only simple one sentence I am expressing you, all the cookie people, please read my speech through the media. Just I am simply telling you. So as well as I am blaming, I may be blaming so many things, but definitely it will be real. So I cannot challenge you. Remember, honesty is the best policy. Then lastly, I request all the Prime Minister of India, all the Union Minister of Home Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, all the Meitei peoples are too much worried. So communal riot also after the election, alternately at the time of election, alternately something close. After that it is repeatedly, continuously started fighting, firing. So this is very simple. Try to stop. Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, we are very worried. You try to best level to restore the peace. I want to express on the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister. And this is a separate idea. Everybody is discussing, please return, restore. Okay, please return, restore. But my point is this, peace never restore because glass is already broken. How can fix
the glass of the broken glass. So even Manipur situation, Bhagavan Krishna, any भी solution नहीं पकड़